We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. sitting sideways here, and the bulls putting up a fight from allowing it to go any lower. We're going to break down what's going on within the charts, but MULLEN stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY buy at 9:05 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive, holding itself up. The bulls are putting up a fight. A lot of people are speculating, could it try to bring itself back up due to the cost to borrow data and the short interest. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over to our Discord and becoming part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 9:50 a.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our Discord, and we look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition on 42 vision from bright green bars, as I like to call the rip area, to red bars so far. It hasn't done a full transition to the dip area. The last time we've hit a dip area on the 30-minute was back here on December 28th. And here we are doing that complete transition. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips and the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. pushing back up, but no bull indicator just yet. But these inflows have crossed, guys. And this is critical because this bear indicator popped up at 42 cents. The inflows tried crossing over yesterday and things bounced from 33 cents to 38 cents. And today they crossed again, jumping from 36 to highs here of 38, and then rejecting again here as a second bounce from 37 to 38 cents. Now it's sitting in this tight consolidation from 36 to 38 cents here, and the bulls are putting up a fight to try to find a support and not retest the lows here of 33 cents that we saw yesterday, and the inflows are back up. Now for this to actually confirm with some real strength, we want these inflows to continue upwards and eventually this strength to start reflecting into the chart and canceling this bear indicator and getting a bull indicator. Now not just the 30-minute has been important, but if we also look here at the 15-minute, we could go ahead and see here that within the volatility, things have been pushing back up. It got a bull indicator down here at around 35 cents, 36 cent area, and inflows crossed yesterday and today. Again, we're back above the midpoint, but this is crucial, guys. I would watch this if it's going to cross right back down because it's in a tight spot. And if that cross to the downside happens and it's significant, it could start reflecting pretty quickly into the chart and eventually get a bear indicator that cancels out this bull indicator. But if it stays above and it could start pushing up higher, not just on the 15-minute, but on multiple time frames, this bull indicator may hold true and this staircase effect could be forming, guys. This is crucial here going into tomorrow, as these outflows are really close to the midpoint, but there's still strength here with the bull indicator, and it's still slightly higher than that level where the bull indicator popped up here on the 15-minute. Now we want to see the 30-minute follow and bring itself back up, get those inflows higher, and get this bear indicator canceled by a possible bull indicator in the process. Now, if we zoom out even bigger, right, to the 1 hour chart, we could see here in the bigger picture that the inflows are still below the midpoint. And the one thing that's still holding this up, even though we look at this bear indicator here on the 40-cent area, on the 2 hour, it's actually still above. And we broke this down as it was hitting newer highs that we wanted to watch this. This is the only thing that's not allowing the whole entire chart to collapse, because those outflows haven't crossed. The last time they did was back here on December 20th, and things went from 27 cents to lows here of 20 cents. So this is one thing holding it up, but we want the 1 hour to come up with it so that strength could start reflecting into the chart as well. Now we have a bear indicator here. We want to see this get canceled. Those are the things I would watch here going into tomorrow. Now let's go back to the 30-minute and talk about key support and resistance levels. So the first thing is, the first support is 35 cents. Below that is the lows that we've seen, 32, 33 cent area. And below that, I would watch 30 cent to 28 cent area based off the history of the chart, right? All the way back down here on these lows of January 4th, where that bear indicator popped up for the first time since it ran from way down here at 20 cents. It got rejected quickly by a bull indicator. Inflows picked back up and things went from 31 to 47 cent area. Now, those are the key levels I would watch to the downside. And how would I watch these inflows versus outflows? Well, if we're going down to those supports, I would watch if these outflows start to dominate and cross to the downside, because the last time we actually significantly pulled away from the midpoint to the downside was on January 6th, followed by that bear indicator from 42 cents to lows here of 36 cents. So that is crucial. Now, to the upside, the first resistance I would watch is 40 cents. And if that staircase effect and support can start to the upside with strength here for the bulls, I'll be watching if these inflows start to pick up. And the next resistance above that is right up here where that bear indicator popped up at 42 to 43 cent area. And then I would watch between that 45 to 50 cent area. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and let's make some money.